Today we're working on the cab A4+M center align printer. We're going to be setting the unit up with a cutter for printing on heat shrink sleeves. What I've done up to this point is I've unpacked the printer, stuck the printer here on the table, unpacked the cutter. What we're going to do to start with is, first of all, we need to remove our front panel so we can mount the cutter. The cab comes with its own wrench for using for all repairs. It mounts right inside the printer here. Very slick, easy, so you do not lose anything there. Now that I've removed the front panel, I'm just going to take the cutter, and we have two pins here and the serial port, and the two pins just slide into the two holes right there, and we push it in snug and then tighten down the thumb screw here till it is tight. That's the extent of mounting the cutter. Now we're going to take the ribbon, little transfer ribbon. We have a wound out ribbon. The printer will take either a wound out or wound in ribbon, and I'm going to feed the ribbon right in there and load it up here. And since it's a center aligned printer, we want this all center aligned. We're going to then take and wind up enough ribbon so we have our foil all the way through there, and then with this I'm just going to tighten this down to lock this ribbon in place so it will move. Ensure that this one here is tightened down, which it is, and now the ribbon is loaded and ready to go. Next we're going to take and load up the shrink sleeve. We have an external because our core is so large here. What I'm printing on today is a 3/16 inch heat shrink sleeve, and we're going to bring it right under here, make it nice and easy loading. We're going to push this through the guides, and when it comes up here to the mouth of the printer, or the cutter, we push it down there, feed it out through the cutter, and right there we have it. Now all I will do is take and snug this down, and note that is the guides to help it guide it through the printer on the back end to keep it going through straight. When that is all set, I lock this down into place. I can turn the printer on. Printer goes through, cutter initiates, cuts the first piece off there to show that it's ready and set to go. Now we're ready to send our data file down to the printer for printing. Okay, now I've just created a real quick, simple little fixed text sleeve here that I can imprint here. We're printing on 3/16 inch material. I'm going to pull it up and I'm going to print out 25 sleeves and hit print. I've created my own little catch tray over here where we're just sort of dropping the sleeves into a box. Permanent durable legend here. We're fully cutting every sleeve. This printer also has the option to perforate, so it would be a continuous version. We have all sleeves that we printed, 25 sleeves in here. Nice permanent legends throughout. Everything's set up, taking out of the box, going. Total time of approximately about 5 minutes to get everything set and printing sleeves. Okay, and now we are going to show the perforation cutting. We're going to be printing out 20 labels. It's the same label as what we printed last time with the footprint, except for now we are doing a perforation cut. It is stringing everything together. This is great for serial numbers to keep everything in a line, keep everything rolling. Easily snapped apart, easily popped open, be able to put it right onto your wire. Okay, what I'm going to do now is a quick test for rub test for isopropyl alcohol. Saturate our rag here, and "20 rubs with isopropyl." Still very legible, no degradation on the print there at all. Very durable with our resin ribbon. system. This material here will meet military specifications. Any type of shrink sleeve printing you need, give Dasco Label a call. We'll be more than happy to help you out.